Welcome to Tiny Tube. It's story time. A very poor man lived with his wife and daughter in a village. Mommy, I'm hungry. Give me some food. Oh dear, I'm so sorry. I don't have anything to give you. Can you please go out again and look for a job? Then at least we can provide some food for her. My little girl is so hungry.
I tried my best to do something, but I didn't find anything. But you are right. I have to go again. Don't worry, guys. I will manage something.
As soon as he got out, he found his friend.
Hey, why are you look so stressed? I am looking for a job. I really need a job. Oh, that's sad to hear. I know a rich man lives near our village. Do you think he will do anything for me? I think if you meet him and tell him about your story, he will do something for you. Okay, thank you. I'll go right away.
Then the poor man went to the rich man's house hoping for some help. The rich man was in his backyard talking to someone on the phone and noticed someone coming towards him. The poor man came to backyard to talk to him. The rich man then put his phone down and said,
Who are you and what are you doing in my backyard? What do you want?
The poor guy replied,
Sir, my friend sent me to here. I am a very poor man. I really need a job. Could you please help me to get a job, sir? I don't have any job for you. I can't give you a job. You guys can do anything for money. Just get out from here.
The poor man felt very sad, but still begged for a job to him. But the rich man didn't listen and insulted him very badly and asked to leave his house. The poor guy left with a broken heart. A few days later, the poor guy was returning home on a stormy night. Suddenly he stopped because he saw a man running towards him in the storm. He looked at the man for a while because he seemed familiar to him. And finally he recognized the man. He went to this man's house a few days ago for help. Then he also moved towards the person.
Sir, where are you going so late at night in the storm? I was passing by and suddenly my car broke down and I don't have any familiar houses around. This place is not so safe at all. Yes, you are right, but I don't have any option. Sir, my house is very near. You can come with me if you want. You can take some rest at my house. Oh, thank you so much. I'll definitely go with you, and I'll never forget your help.
Then the poor man took the rich man with him. On reaching home, the poor man started calling his wife and daughter.
Come quickly, see who has come with me.
Why are you calling? Who is he with you? Then they both told her the whole incident. Okay, sit down. I'll make some tea for you. Take some rest. The man was very happy with their hospitality and said,
You guys are very kind. I'm extremely sorry for my behavior. You come to my home tomorrow and I'll give you a job. And since the rain has stopped, I must go now. Thank you so much, sir. You are also kind.
Then the three of them were very surprised and happy. So friends, the moral of the story is love and kindness are never wasted. They always make a difference. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe please.